Dhokla batter. 1 cup gram flour besan. Half cup semolina suji. Half teaspoon turmeric. Half teaspoon ginger powder. Half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix on same direction. Half glass water. Same direction. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Same direction. Cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Half teaspoon baking soda. Again mix on same direction. Boil water for baking. Apply oil before adding batter. Add batter. Tap, tap, tap. Bake it for 20 minutes on medium flame. Check it with knife or stick. It's perfectly done. Perfectly baked. Cut it. Soft. Tarka for dhokla. 1 tablespoon oil. Half teaspoon mustard seeds. 7 to 8 bay leaves. Mix. 4 to 5 green chilies. Mix. Half teaspoon sugar. Half teaspoon salt. Coriander hradania. Mix. Half glass water.